everybody, Taylor White here with CK Supply. Thanks for joining in on another one of our welding videos. Today we are going to talk about lasers, right? So we have back here in the tech center in our nice, as you see, laser enclosure, the Denali Weld 200 CR. It is a water-cooled unit with the wire feeder. This package is pretty awesome. So number one about Denali Weld, they are a Chicago, Illinois based company. So designed, manufactured in Chicago, components from all over the world. So we got Germany, Australia, China, every little piece that they needed to get, they acquire. And it really transfers that value and the price tag of this unit. So number one, this is a 2,000 watt unit. So we can weld up to 3/16, maybe a 1/4 inch. It starts to push it at about a 1/4 inch. But they do have these larger units coming out, so we can weld thicker material. We can go up to 1/2 inch with the 4,000 watt series. So they say. So today we are going to do a little sample of aluminum. I have some 4043 wire in here. We have nitrogen on the gas. Our flow rates are set about 35 CFH, and we are using nitrogen because lasers like nitrogen. Lasers, right? Wish we could cue that in every time we say lasers. So we're gonna turn everything on here. It's pretty space age, I'll tell you what. Turn this guy, emergency stops. You get the nice little flashing lights. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get my safety gear on. So for safety of your eyes, and as all the windows look green, everything is tailored to the frequency of the laser itself. So laser 6+ glasses for the frequency of the laser coming out. You cannot see laser light itself. You can't see the laser beam. So we have to be conscious. We don't point it at anybody. Be careful about maybe it reflecting off of the surface. So there's a lot of things you go into when you talk about lasers and safety. And we have a plethora of information on that if anybody's curious. But main thing is we treat it like something that can burn a hole in something else, right? Just be careful, and we have a lot of fun when we do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put everything on, and we're gonna do some weld samples and check them out. A lot of safety features on this machine. So when you come in, you get a screen as such, and everything is locked out right now. So to undo this, we go boop. So anytime an emergency buttons hit, and there's another one located on this gun itself, so double emergency stop. So we're trying to make this as safe as possible. Lasers have enough power to weld metal, so they have enough power to potentially hurt somebody, so we have to be careful. So we're not dealing with anything super thick, so I don't need 2,000 watts. Let's say I'm gonna go, let's try 1,600. So I'm gonna put 1,600 watts in. Laser frequency, I don't need super penetration in there. So let's say 500. We'll try it. And then wobble frequency, let's put that to 60. So the wobble frequency is just because it's going to be in a straight line, so it's just how fast it's going to go back and forth. And the laser frequency is the intensity of the laser itself. So higher frequency, more penetration, more agitation. Wobble frequency, the slower it is, the more heat you're going to have. So we have to fine tune certain things. And then the width of this is only allowed to be 1 millimeter thicker than the wire you have. So I have 1.2 millimeter in there, so I'm going to go 2.2, make that the best it can be. Your laser is now on with that laser switch, but it will not turn on unless this is released, because this is at some, when you put it in the stand, it actually got hit. So it flashes, now it's ready. We come here, you can hit laser switch on. Great.
One other thing we don't want to forget is in our settings, we have to make sure that the wobble switch is on. This is actually going to make the laser move around. If that doesn't move around, you're going to have a problem. The fans are kicking on, so it's getting a little louder. So everything looks good to me. I think this is a good starting point for us. Put that gas through there, make sure it's fresh. And yeah, I think we get to welding. Yeah, my little restart, but ignore that. Truly pretty amazing. I mean, you don't get these kind of results with TIG, and you don't get it nearly that fast. So yeah, guys, that is the end of our little laser welding demo with the Denali CR 2000 watt laser welder. This welder also has a cleaning action and laser cleaning, so we can do seam cleaning, or we can do the larger cleaning area with different attachments. So we'll do another video with that, show everybody that one, because everybody likes seeing that one. It's pretty cool. If you're interested in checking out this unit, we have this one here in the Tech Center, downtown St. Louis off Manchester, and we also have the air-cooled jet system on the showroom floor there. So if you guys want to know availability, pricing, or anything like that, give us a call. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a like, give us a subscribe, follow, and stay tuned for the next one. We'll catch you guys around. Thanks.